Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, bringing you the heat, honey. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered. I'm back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. Ntombi yaseGqeberha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty. And in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary. Ntori ke tonyala jwang wetsa so.
Nale chino igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoka saka Jesu. Una mina ngibe step mother.
Yes. Let's go. Chris, let's go. Ngathi uyasithuma. Uyasithuma Chris. Uyasithuma.
Yena masingamtshela ukuthi let's go.
Uzawuthini Chris manje usibhulisha apha kula show?
Uthi kuyabanda nokubanda.
Chifo lento yenzayo. Edlamini ngibanga. Afunda ukushushumeza. Yo. Alright. Oh, you reject Dlamini.
I'm not rejecting that being right.
You reject Dlamini. You reject Dlamini.
Never reject you. When you have guts to reject me, but me, I'm right.
Anjani, I'm offering to ukushushumeza.
I'm right.
I was in the couple. Oh. How you Dlamini? So I'm offering ukushushumeza. Hey, it's fine. And I feel sorry for you.
If I follow Shushumeza and Pella, then after shoot we can go.
If
you really want to Shushumeza.
Oh, really? Oh, so you rejecting me because you think I'm joking?
I want to trying to Shushumeza me.
James. I'll think about it.
This thing of yours that I'll think about.
I'll think about it.
You have to think about it.
Because I need to think about it.
Alice.
I just...
It's okay. Me, I'm not a fighting. I'm not a fighting.
You're a lover.
Yeah, I'm a lover. I'm not a fighter.
Okay, Dlamini. Akho ngxaki. So ayabaleka le couple.
Abahamba ngempela.
Yo.
Last yabanda.
Kuyabanda nobanda Dlamini.
Unokushushumezana.
Wa, umndimi ufuna ukushushumeza wena. Ndimi lo ufuna ukushushumeza. Hey, hayi sana. Guys, niyandibona andikhefuzela xa ndiwalk long distances ndigele gym.
Oh, at first you use it.
Hi guys. Hi.
Hello guys.
How are you?
Fine.
I'm good. Listen, I go around asking couples questions. I'm sorry to ambush you guys. Would you guys mind?
Sorry, you are your sister.
5 minutes, guys.
Start, say like
5 minutes. She wants to.
5 minutes.
Happy woman
I'm
at
like
home.
she's pretty, so.
There you go, yes.
it's you Sam.
Siamine.
Sam.
I feel like your man
Like,
doesn't want to be seen
I mean,
with
like-
you.
You don't want to be seen with me. Okay, babe. If you are friend, I'm a sim. We'll tell 5 minutes.
5.
Five, yeah.
5 minutes.
Okay, come closer. I just want us here. I don't want us to shoot in front of people's houses. Just 5 minutes, guys. This is fine. Can I stand in between you guys? Come closer.
Oh.
Okay, name?
Oh, Temagaz.
Tembagazi.
I want to miss but then bang bizo cross.
Why you cross? I'm cross with Tembagazi.
No.
Tell them I'm cross.
It's a nickname I got from Amachita, but
Why that name?
Yes.
Who did you cross? Shoot us.
back then at high school being back cross so it's like the danger what the
Nothing serious.
yeah you can just say that so cross and
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Tembagazi, how long have you been with Cross?
Started dating in March. Yeah. So it's
Also this year, from this year March.
Oh yes.
Okay,
Much
okay.
Vestibene campus isifunda ages right too. So
Okay.
Vestibene campus Oh, wayendihlupha ke dibana kwethu. But ke andizisoli.
Awusoli.
Oh, andizisoli.
Uyamthanda umuntu wakho.
Ndiyothuka noba utrust abantu akakanditrust mna.
Uyazalaphi?
Kuba ngendlela emnandi.
Uyamuthanda Cross?
Ngiyamuzwa aqinisile. Ani ngoMarch.
Yeah.
Ambona sa-register February and then I started approaching her. Walibe ngibhayizisa up until bekuyingaki 14 March lapho. Sukula ngivakashele khona eRes avuma ukuza kimi-Res. Then saqala sajola.
Wenza ntoni ukuvisitha eRes ezothini nawe eRes?
Yeah, ngabuka lapho ukuthi avele nami sengivakashele eRes opportunity okahle.
Opportunity to watch Cross.
Opportunity. Akekho umuntu ongivakashele endlini expecting ungivakashele endlini. Sorry.
Thembakazi. So this was the first time?
Yeah, this was the first time.
So you guys sealed the deal by Inkonzo? Ekamereni?
My lezi zithuba sikhuluma pha ayinge.
Inesimanga phazi. Inesimanga Thembakazi.
Ezithu lezo.
Okay, but okay, what is it that you like about her?
What I like about her umoya wakhe, unipho, nesineke nothando.
Yeah.
Like it's rare to find amantombazana ayiphethe njengaye.
Yeah.
In nowadays awazi ama-2K-ish.
Yeah.
Kodwa yena uyilento le engicabanga ukuthi uyiyona. Yeah,
Okay.
into engathi ngiyithanda ngayo.
Okay, I hear you. What do you think about people saying Xhosa girls are loud and feisty and disrespectful? Because she's a Xhosa girl.
What I know is that
Horror.
bathanda imali.
Yeah, it's
I found it different from her. Abayithanda imali.
Okay.
Aze ngicela imali. Kuba yimizwa kube ngishayo lo sayibo intombi yamazi. Kodwa phela futhi uyazi sikhola imali efanayo NSFAS iyafana ungena ngebhisi eyodwa.
Yeah.
And owami osheshe uphele ngidle kuye.
Yes.
So
Okay.
Grand.
I like that. I think if you guys are both students, you've got no business as a woman abusing your men financially because you guys are both students. So if awunayo yena uzoyifumana phi, you know?
I mean, if bendifuna imali bendiza ebantwini abasebenzayo because benza befuna imali.
Yeah.
Yabo. Xa ndizathi nona ndifuna imali kuye ndimthumela kwi-society ngosiba makasazibulale. Andithi amadoda zii-princess ngoku baske bazibulale.
Thembakazi, you did not just say that.
Oh, sithethe inyani. Oh, kodwa andithethi ngendoda yam.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm dead. Okay, guys, let's get to the point of the show, right?
5 minutes.
Yeah, we petty. I'm sorry. You scare Mandy conversation.
Right.
I'm sorry. Let's do what we're here for. What we do on the show, we basically make couples switch phones because we're testing your guys' loyalty to each other. So you go through each other's WhatsApps to see if you guys are not cheating on each other.
Yeah, I cheat.
Yeah, but you guys need to prove it.
Oh, uyazi ukuthi ngcheat.
Okay. Yeah, Thembakazi.
Uyandazi uphi bani sithi isisoloko sikunye noba sisecampus sikunye xa ndisiye campus sikunye before ndihambe ndiyohlamba ubhebi yandifowunela okanye mna ndimfowunele and zange mhlambi andinike i-excuse zoba akazi uyibamba icall yam ubhizi ngantoni yebo nxa iphela iklasi yakho uyandixelela ubana ndisendaweni ethile so masidibane andiqondi ubana likhona ixesha loba sitshithelane so andimindi mna si-exchange ifowuni awumindi nawe bhebi mos because akho nto siyenzayo
Manje
Thembakazi akafuni
isikhathi mina
so you don't want to switch
yeah
it?
ngeke switch. Uyazi
Uyamtrust.
Angimclose uyazi.
Hiding something on your phone?
I'm not iPhone yami it's just the phone yami uyazi kwayena mengivakashele right the phone yami idlala music kuphela azahambe endlini ngikho futhi phone manginayo so why would I cheat ngisho kuthiwa ke ngiyacheatha ngabe uyangibona ngikhuluma nefoni ekhona yabo manje
if I would cheat kaloku let us see your phone prove it
manje
what's wrong with proving it?
Chacha angithathi anginankinga uprove uyazi ngizomnika masifendi ngizomnika phone
Thembakazi ufuna ucheckisha endlini ifoni kanye ufuna ucheckisha ngoku
oh singayicheckisha ngoku because asingabantu abacofa ifoni yomnye yebo
rather do it in front of us
yeah because like zange sayibona
phambi kwabantu ngobani
baby zange sayibona inidi yobana sicofa ifoni zomnye so xa isinibana must exchange lanto ka sinceda yena wenza umsebenzi andithi uyabhatalwa for umsebenzi wakho yeah so kongoku siya supporta thina kuthiwa
ngiyabanda sawa
utheni
Cross uyafihla into
angifihli I'm not hayibo angifihli lo uya uqeda kusho isholo yena ukuthi angicheat ngihlezi ngispend isikhathi nami manje uyisiphi isikhathi asahambi ngigodola ngibona
oh Cross I think Cross is cheating on you Thembakazi
I don't think so, but I understand again why engafuni.
Hayi ukuthi ngifuna I told you ngizokunika phone masifika endlini. Right now ngigodola buka ngaphandle yabo uzona injalo lozeline nezulu la asanga.
Awufuni awuzoyikhupha le phone across, you're not gonna give us your phone.
Kaloku suduthethe ngendoda yami kanje ingathi ayikhethinisha.
Hayi ithembakazi.
Oh. Kodwa.
Okay, Cross, can I please have your phone? Yabona wathi wayikhupha usapho. Yeah.
It's in the current.
Okay, Thembakazi, we'll start with yours, right?
Oh.
I'm sure you are relieved, Cross, that we're not starting with your phone.
I'm in a very ngirelaxile. Next.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So you keep
If you say open it, love, passcode, password, whatever it is.
Yeah, open.
Thank you. Cross, please come closer. All right, go to her WhatsApp, ne?
Okay, what's up?
All right, type love you.
I love you. Okay.
Okay, that's you, mustn't it?
Yeah, I mean hello.
Okay, delete that. Okay, type miss you.
Miss you. You mean still?
All right, Thembakazi, okay, delete that. Type standwa.
Stand.
Still you.
Yeah, still me.
Okay, delete that. Type thank you. Let's see who's doing your women favors.
Okay. Still sending.
Aw, and mom. Okay, delete.
Yeah.
Type outside. We're trying to see who's fetching your woman.
Okay. Like very low outside.
Okay, delete that. When you fetch her from Raise.
Ngimfonelile ukuthi hayi seduze futhi ngizondlula lapha hayi.
Oh, okay. Delete that. Type morning after pill.
Shame.
Asazi.
Yo.
Ayisebenzisa Thembakazi morning after pill.
Oh, siyaprivate.
Oh, okay. Okay, delete. Type pregnant. You never know.
Pregnant, oh wait. Nah, very good.
Okay. Type in Dimiti.
Dimiti.
Dimit.
Oh, sissy.
Nah, still the same thing.
Still the same thing. Okay, type last night.
Okay, last night. Oh yeah?
Oh, I saw nothing.
Yes, not-
Congratulations, girl. Your woman is loyal.
Yeah.
Cross cross.
Aye.
Please. Usenzele inceba. Okay, passcode, password.
Nje ukuyivula ngoface, aboface wamanje. Ovuma.
Bakaloku never su.
Ngikho never saw.
Ngisaziphi?
Inkinga manje isane yabo ayikho clean.
Kali ne?
I don't trust him at all.
Yabo look at his face oh now.
Hey, that took too long for my liking.
Okay.
All right. Type. Okay, go to WhatsApp first.
Yeah.
Okay, search. Yeah. Then okay, type love you.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, that's you.
Yeah, that's me.
Okay, delete.
Okay.
Type miss you.
Miss you. Oh.
Okay.
And his friends.
Okay. Romance is actually, you know what? Type babe.
Wait.
Still you. Okay. Delete that.
Oh, das Peli isikhathi ngekodola mina la.
Saziphi? Hima. Type outside.
Okay. Spokuhle.
Go into the chat.
Oh, wow.
Cross. Sibona izinto up.
Yini nibo?
Sibona izinto up.
Angiboni nga.
Hey, wena usifokazi.
Sifokazi. Sifokazi.
Hayi,
Spokuhle.
bana
Umuhle. Awubona yini namazo? Angimazi uba athi ngibona.
Now uyambona. Ambona wena.
Oh, hayi funda next scene.
Ufuna naye eklasini?
so bu outside.
Ngokubu outside, okay.
Outside.
Mhlawumbe ukukhangelela ubufuna ntoni outside.
Yini? Outside eclassini. Hawu.
Outside eklasini ngo-8 ebusuku. outside
Si
eklasini
library
kutheni mina ndingayazi lonto le
bengipala Friday ngakutshela mos ukuthi kumele ngipractice ngithola umuntu ongisiza ngeMaths. You even allowed me ukuthi ngithola umuntu ongisiza ngeMaths.
wathi uba uthole umuntu ongiba
Angisho awungibuza.
okay
Go into media.
okay yazi ndiyanyeleka apha
What are you saying to us, Pagul?
ndiyazinyela lomuntu yazi ndiyanyeleka apha
Xose goli yo.
Are you dating or what do you mean?
Why ngishaya phambi awume mfethu ayumi. Na phela relax awume.
mina ndizithanda inuthi
Uyazithanda
because
kakhulu.
yakufana kuma-yellow bone yazifumana inuthi kuma-yellow bone
Awukami man mesicela uhambe asambe.
so
Asahambe.
hamba sundibamba uthande inuthi ezinuthi uzithandayo umnqondo wakho zezi ziyelo awuzithandi ezi zimnyama
Yo mfethu. Bela sami. Uzosala nabo ngihambe.
hamba
Hey man yini phela. Hey bengicongini phone. Ora mfethu thatha ifoni yami la.
So, Pagul, you're sorry.
ngubani kusiphoko ngubani lo mntana ufuna iyakuyi
Yimathemakazi. Akasifuni nuthi kuwe.
akazifuni uthi into okubana hayi baby abantu abathatha inuthi zizifebe kanti abantu bathanda zizifebe nja
Eziyelo.
La ifoni.
zizifebe
Man okay.
Okay, uzathola ntoni nuthi?
Akaze yime ngumcelile wafundela ama message awafundanga. Ungisendele izithombe bengitshela ukuthi izithombe zokufunda. Ngicela ifoni yami ngithi ngitshela.
izithombe zofunda
Cela ifoni. Ish sidonsa mfethu thatha ifoni yami lapha.
why usiphoka uhlezi akusendela into okay icebo masithini uthi nabana usiphoka uhlezi usende imuthi masimfonele usiphoka uhle
Lelani.
andithi okay awufuni siyazi into bana usiphoka uhle usende inuthi okanye ufuna siyazi why usende inuthi andithi wena uyazi usiphoka uhle why
Ngiyasho angazi.
good yazi yandonyenyisa iyandiphambanisa lento awubhizi urhorhozela emva kwami apha icampus yonke
Yo hey mbuzo nawe nami. Hey
Oh my gosh,
5 minutes kunini phelile ngikhamisile mina la. Siyasaba.
come this way, guys.
uthini ukubukanisa nabantu
Bonisa nabantu. Hey.
Hi, am I speaking to Pagul?
Yena ungijikela ngikhwama.
Hello, can I? Hi, am I speaking to Pagul?
Yeah.
All right, come with Uyamazi Cross.
hello siphoka uhle uyamazi ucross
Yeah, ngiyamazi. Why?
oh umazi njani
Boyfriend yami.
yi-boyfriend yakho
For how long?
wow interesting
Yeah.
for how long
Mhm.
kunini John siphoka uhle
Sesine 1 year manje.
hey
So, go inside.
We were celebrating our anniversary last week.
so uphinga xesha last week imango lwesingaphi last week
Saturday.
so laa mali beyifuna kum bekukhutshwa wena
Yeah, besihambile like
wow uyandazi mna like uthetha nothembakazi uyandazi mna
ngikhuluma nobani
thembakazi
uhlanganisa noCross.
ndibuza wena noba uhlanganiswa yintoni nocross ngoba ucross akakwazi ucross uthi nina nizizitadi ntoni uthi nizintoni uthi nizintoni Dumiso
Naye vele
ufunda naye
angimazi. Mbuzo.
nangoko usamphika awumazi
Hey.
uthi into yobana nijole unyaka awulasti nonyaka lo awulasti ne-1 minute ke ngoba at least ngesithetha ngento engcono ife ebhedini bikhona umehluko owaziyo
Sekunjena manje. All right.
uyayazi nje inyani uyakwazi ulasta unyaka wonke
Hayi kulungile.
amina kubesela ndikwenzela ne-favor
Uyama.
kuba at least
Manje besiyazi.
for uba ndibeshushu ife bekhona umuntu okwazi ukwenza into engcono kunawo because mna ndiloyal ngendiye kuye kuyabanda eresi uyayazi into yobana sinazo neehita iresi yakho inehita uzawufika upheke phakathi enyangeni uNSFAS wamphelile
Camera sokumele kwazi.
ingenaphi loo nto leyo ndithi wena uyakwazi undijolela phambi kwekhamera kuhle lapha
Ukhuluma lezo zinto.
Inathetha noSiphokuhle. Nangu Cross.
nangu umntu wakho thatha
Sure mfethu ish.
Hello.
Sure.
Kwenzakalani?
Mfethu ngizokufonela mangifika endlini. Ngizokuchazela.
Ngamsile.
Hayi, anginamo, hayi, sokufonela mangifika endlini. Sokufonela mangifika endlini ngisho.
Kwenko nanti enqandi ndihambe ndijole eRhawutini. Asafutheki goduka uye kokwenko. Hamba.
Sala lapha ethu.
Asafutheki. Nami ndiyahamba. Hamba. Ndiyadzika vele. Hamba. Uzofika ufowunela uSipho kuhle lowo. Uchithela naseqaleni awazi nomngcunya Sathane.
Unale linye eduzo wakho.
Ne, ndiyakubona bana sowumbonile futheki hamba. Nja. Lento ingenayo. Awunayo no-refi. Awunayo no-refi. Suka nge-toilet paper. Ngaleyo uyiwulu le-campus nja. Akwazi nathi ngolo paper phela siphela lo mfana. Hayi suka futheki eteke eyi-1. Usathi kuyesule ngoku.
Futheki umnwazi.
Ento yazi yangicaphukisa. Nenzela ifavor apha. Ndiyambona, ndimenza umuntu ebantwini.
Uyamqaqasha.
Uhambe uyosikela jwabu, ngqondo yenkonko liyasikiswa ehospital Sathane. Sifinde sendinomsindo kakhulu. Torho ndicela ukusiyana.
Oh. Shall
I didn't do this, I mean.
Oh.
Yeah.
What do you have to say?
I'm mad.
Xhosa women are very humble until you do something wrong. Then you so delishana now. And I think that's what people don't understand. We only swear and shout and become disrespectful when you provoke us. But before then, I think we are the sweetest, most loving people
you guys
ever.
are, because ngimbonile at first lo ntombazana.
Exactly. And the guy didn't have any complaints. He didn't have anything to complain about.
Until kuvela lento.
Yes. Then we asiphambanisa ke ngoku.
Ngeteke lodwa.
Wow. Anyway, guys, shall we wrap, Dams? Yes, that is an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _ and of course do follow Dams.
Welcome_Dlamini88 on Instagram. TikTok, welcome Dlamini. Facebook, welcome Dlamini.
Why are you so dramatic about it? Bye, guys.
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niya Tembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale tshino iqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sikolo saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Yes.